Number 12 is also a simplification problem. This expression is not in the simplest form because we have radicals in the denominator. Anytime you have radicals in the denominator, you know that you don't have the simplest form. So in order to clear those radicals from the denominator, we need to apply a conjugate. The conjugate of the denominator would be 3 times the square root of x plus the square root of y. I'm going to multiply the bottom times that. If I'm multiplying the bottom times that, I need to multiply the top times that. So we would have 3 square root of x plus the square root of y. Now notice that the numerator and denominator are the same. In other words, if you divide one number by another, it's 1. So by multiplying this times the original problem, we're not changing its mathematical value. But we will, or should be able to clear the radicals out of the denominator. So let me go ahead and carry out the multiplication by distribution. I've got the square root of x times 3 times the square root of x, which is going to be 3x. And then I'm going to have the square root of x times the square root of y, which is going to be plus the square root of xy. In the bottom, I'll have the 3 times the square root of x times 3 times the square root of x, or 9x. Then negative square root y, 3 square root of x times y would give me a plus 3 square root xy. Then square root of y times 3 square root x is going to give me a negative 3 square root xy. And then a negative square root y times a positive square root y will give me a negative y. Now I can clean this up by noticing that these two middle terms just subtract themselves out. Those are gone. So the new simplified expression will be 3x plus the square root of xy, all divided by 9x minus y. And you can see we no longer have any radicals in the denominator. And let's see if that is one of the options. And it is option C. This is called the rationalization of the expression.